feel strong, happy, and amazing today? Then you're in the right place! Let's go!
Let's begin.
Handstand pose. Place your hands shoulder width apart, kick your legs up, and balance completely upside down on your hands in a straight line. Boosts energy, increases circulation and energy flow throughout the body. Come on, pose. Kneel on the floor, arch your back backward, and reach down to hold your heels with your hands while lifting your chest. Stretches front body, stretches abdomen, hips, and thighs deeply. Crow pose. Place your hands flat on the ground, hook your thighs over your upper arms, and lift your feet to balance on your hands with your ankles crossed. Opens hips, stretches tight hip flexors and groin. Warrior One pose. Step one foot back into a lunge, bend your front knee, and raise your arms straight up overhead. Opens hips, stretches tight hip flexors and groin muscles. Warrior Three pose. Stand on one leg, lean your torso forward, extend your arms straight ahead, and lift your other leg straight back to form a line. Improves balance, enhances body stability and concentration. Chair pose. Bend your knees as if sitting on an imaginary chair and raise both arms straight up overhead. Improves balance, enhances overall stability. Extended side angle pose. Step into a wide stance, bend your front knee, place your lower hand on the floor inside your front foot, and extend your top arm diagonally overhead. Improves balance, stamina, and digestion. Tree pose. Stand on one leg, place the sole of your other foot against your inner thigh or calf, and bring your palms together in a prayer position at your chest. Strengthens thighs, calves, ankles, and spine. Peacock pose. Place your palms flat with fingers facing backward. Lean your stomach onto your elbows and extend your legs back to balance horizontally on your hands. Strengthens wrists, arms, shoulders, and core. One-legged King Pigeon pose. Sit with your front leg bent on the floor. Bend your back knee up. Reach overhead to grab your back foot and arch your back upward. Stretches. Deeply opens hip flexors, thighs, chest, and shoulders. Monkey pose. Squat low with feet wide. Place your palms together at your chest and press your elbows against your inner knees. Enhances posture, lengthens the spine, and improves lower body mobility. Plank pose. Legs back, step feet back, and balance on your toes. Strengthens core, tones your abs, lower back, and waist. Fish pose. Lean back, slowly lie back on your elbows/forearms for support. Relieves stress, helps release tension in the neck, throat, and chest. Half moon pose. Lift the leg. Raise your left leg up behind you until it is parallel to the ground. Strengthens legs and core. Builds muscle in the thighs, ankles, buttocks, and abdomen.